Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can scan other Snapchat codes or Snapchat account code. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Snapchat on your phone. After you have opened Snapchat, find a code to scan. So this is my friend's code. I'll just go ahead and tap on it and click on open. After that, you can see that this is my friend's Snapchat account. If you want to add friend, just go ahead and tap on add. And there you go. Now you are friends with this person. This is how you can scan other Snapchat account. All you need to do is go to gallery, scan a code, and tap on open. After you do so, it will show your friend's account and you can finally be friends with your favorite person. So, I hope this video about how you can scan other Snapchat account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.